in the meantime, let's move on and get you this update that has now been coming in of explosives that seems to have been recovered. And this is a sensitive area. What we are getting to know just 1 kilometer from the RSS headquarters, as these explosives have been recovered from Nagpur CA Road area. Top sources have now revealed that at least 15 gelatin sticks and 50 detonators that has been seized, and this seems to be a major scare at the Dosar Bhavan Jog, where it has now been reported where bomb squad and forensic teams are on the site. Arunil, details please. What has now been said as far as the material and the explosive material is now said to have been seized?
Well, this is a significant news that we are getting in from Nagpur, which also happens to be the headquarters of the RSS. Around 1 kilometer from the RSS headquarters, at a residence near a metro station on CA Road. This is where explosives have been recovered now by the Nagpur police. The bomb squad is at present on the spot. Forensic team also there. A heavy police deployment also been made. We understand that 15 gelatin sticks, as you were pointing out, as well as around 50 detonators, as well as more than 8 connectors have been recovered from the garden of a residence near the metro station on the CA Road, which happens to be around 1 kilometer from the extremely crucial and significant RSS headquarters in the city of Nagpur, which also happens to be the winter capital of Maharashtra. At present, combing operations are being done by several agencies that are there on the spot, are trying to Nagpur police also trying to ascertain who exactly is behind, who exactly may have kept these explosives at such kind of a significant and a crucial location in the city of Nagpur.
All right. Remains to be seen exactly when it comes to the investigation, the probe that is underway, and as far as what has now been linked, because when it comes to these explosive materials that have been found, they have now been seized and the probe has been launched into this. Thank you very much, Arunil.